Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about more about charging and schematics and how we can solve problems, how we can track charging ways, how we can do these things, and the problems we have about the charging. For starting, we have to first finding out about where is our charging sheet. As you can see, the power or the PMIC, IF PMIC is right here on sheet 7. So if I'm gonna find the sheet 7, all I have to do is to go to the sheet 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, here is our PMIC, sub PMIC. We have the booster PMIC and the IF PMIC. This is the voltage for charging, as you can see here. The thing is, there are several things about the charge. You have to check them all. First, you have to know what is the problem about your charger or the charge problem you have with your phone. Let's start with the thing that we have a phone that doesn't charge. So the thing is, the connector between the flex cable and the main board is here, HDC 8000, as you can see here. So we have to find the HDC 8000 here. As you can see, it's not here, but I can search for it, HDC 8000. So I'm going to search for it, and here's the connector itself, as you can see. Now I have to find something that's related to the charging, and if I'm gonna search for it, the thing is could be around here, I guess. It has to have 5 voltage or something like that, and here it is, IV bus. As you can see, IF interface 5PO 5 volts. It straight goes here to 59 and 60. Now I'm gonna get back here, 59 and 60. That is our V bus voltage bus, and the charging connector. It straight go here and here. We have a capacitor and an inductor in the way. When your phone goes, again, when you connect the charger, you must have 5 volts here, here, and here. I'm gonna find out these elements here. As you can see, the charge straight goes here. The 5 volts moves and it goes here, V bus, as you can see. This IC U7009 is the IC responsible for controlling the voltage. It's our OVP actually. The OVP is the IC to make sure that your IC is working well, is charging well, and making sure that your voltage is working fine. Now if I'm going to find this, I have to keep moving the inductor. The inductor is here, and as you can see, here it is. Now if I get back here, the charge goes in, and the charge in 5 volts is right here, A2 A1. Here's the exit. The exit goes over around here, but as you can see, we have a capacitor here. The capacitor I guess we had a problem here. Okay, the capacitor, as we saw, was here, C 7149. There's the 80, 7149. We have 5 volts here. We have to have these 4 volts here. Now the voltage after that is straight goes here. As you can see, we have another inductor and we have this IC. What is this IC? U7002 is our charging IC, the power IC definitely. So we have to have 5 volts here. Now I'm gonna try to find out the VBAT, or the voltage for charging the battery. The battery is not here. Actually, this IC is our USB control IC, right? And this one is our charger IC. That means this IC actually is the responsible for find it, right? This IC is the responsible for charging the battery. As you can see, this CHG in 5 volts actually goes straight to the charging IC, and the charging IC from here we busted is actually detect the charge, and this IC send it straight to the battery. As you can see, VBAT here, we have VBAT here. So this IC is the charger IC, as you can see. Now all of them must have this, all of these ICs, all of these ways that we have gone through must have 5 volts, especially here. As you can see, charge in, we have to have them here, we have to have 5 volts here, we have to have here, here, and here. If any one of them does have a problem, it could be because of the inductor problem or the charging IC problem. As you can see, you can easily track the way, finding out what is wrong and find it. That's not so hard to find out. Now there is one more thing here, if I want to tell you about, is this one, CHG underline THM. CHG underline THM. What is this? This is our charging thermistor. When this have a problem, you will have an issue about when you put your phone in charge, it says that your battery is too hot or too cold. You have to replace this. As you can see, we have a variable thermistor here, TH7000 we have here. Now I'm going to search and find it. Where is it? TH7000, and it is right here. When you remove this, you will have you will have your charging problem solved that easily. This happens a lot in many phones. You have to learn it. CHG, THM, you have to find it and actually search for it in the maps. Then you can solve the problem. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.